Hi, welcome to Talia's Legacy Children's Cancer Foundation YouTube channel. My name is Desiree.
Hi, I'm Mattia, and today we're going to show you how to create a Glam WARS makeup look using the products in your Glam WARS makeup bag. You're going to have several products inside your Glam WARS makeup bag to create a gorgeous look. We're going to show you what is inside this glam bag that I will be using to create a makeup look. First is a CoverGirl eyeshadow palette. Next, we have a CoverGirl eyeliner. I love eyeliner. Next is a Anastasia brows for the eyebrows. Next is Red Aspen's blush. And then each bag comes with a bullet lipstick as well as a lip gloss. Gerard Cosmetics lipstick and lip gloss. And of course, mascara. This is the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette. It comes with 4 colors and it also comes with a double-ended eyeshadow brush, but you can use any brush to create a eyeshadow look. So I'm going to grab my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take the lighter gray color. Always start with the lighter color. I'm going to go over it on the crease of my eye, and I went ahead and did the other eye too, so just going to go in your crease and blend it in. Then you're going to grab that darker color and you're going to put it on the corner of your eyes and make a circular motion. I'm going to do the same with the other eye and go in the corner and do a circular motion to give it a little smoky effect. Then I'm going to take a blue and the lighter colors, the silver. I'm going to put it on the lid of my eye. Remember, you're not always going to have this blue eyeshadow palette. You might have a brown one and you might have different colors. Just remember that the key is to blend your eyeshadow. Using a different brush or the same brush, I'm going to keep it with the same brush. I'm going to go in with that darker color that we used on the outer side. I'm going to place it underneath my eyes, just to make your eyes pop. Then you're going to go in with your eyeliner. This is the CoverGirl eyeliner and it is a brown. You are going to make a straight line across your eye, close to your eyelash line. Then you're going to use the CoverGirl smudger. You're just going to smudge it out. If you do not have this specific eyeliner, you can use a brush. You can use that same eyeshadow brush to smudge out your eyeliner line. So just try to get it as close to your eyelash line as possible. If you want to do a more dramatic look, you can also take your finger and place the eyeliner on your waterline. Be careful, do not poke your eye. Do it close to your lashes or your waterline. And then once I finish my eyes, I like to go in and do my eyebrows. So this is an eyebrow pencil. Each bag comes with an eyebrow pencil. I like to start at the bottom of my eyebrows and kind of make a shape to them. So whatever shape is better for you, you can draw them on. You can shape out the natural little hairs. I don't have a lot of eyebrow hairs, so I kind of love to create my own shape. I'm just gonna fill it in, stroke it. Not gonna press hard, just stroke it like a natural eyebrow look. If you're not sure how to shape your eyebrows, just go online and see what kind of eyebrows that you like, or just create your own and have fun with it and try different shapes. That's what I love to do. I love to do thicker brows, skinnier brows. Today I'm doing a little bit skinnier brows and more of a natural look. But just have fun with it. My eyebrows are not completely even. Just remember, your eyebrows are going to be sisters, not twins. Next, I'm going in with the blush. I'm just gonna pat it all over here, and then you can go in with your fingers and kind of tap it around. Some of the bags have powder blush, so I'm just gonna show you a simple way to find out how to put your blush on. You're going to put your lips together. You're gonna follow the line. You're always gonna wanna put the blush here and bring it down a little bit to just make your cheeks a little bit rosy. I brought my mom back into the video to show you how to apply mascara.
Hi guys. Okay, the first thing about the mascara is don't ever pump it because then it gets air in it.
It'll dry it out.
And dry it out. So we don't want that. We want it to last. So you'll take it out like this. Make sure there's like all the excess is at the very bottom because it's going to get clumpy. And then you're just going to put underneath your eye like that and go up, and underneath like that and go up, and underneath like that and go up. And you may find some areas that are not exactly like maybe clumped up, so you can actually go back and forth with it and kind of like separate it and kind of play with them. So you make sure that there's not like all clumped on one side and not the other. And sometimes you have to wiggle them a little bit to unseparate them.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah. And the bottom too. I go back and forth and I go down like that. And the more you apply, of course, the thicker you will get eyelashes.
The last two products I have to apply is the lipstick and then the lip gloss. I always do the lipstick first. I always start at the bottom lip, but whatever is comfortable for you. I like to use the very tip of the lipstick and kind of use it as like a liner to outline the lips. And then the flatter part. And then I like to use the lip gloss to a similar color to the lipstick and apply it over it so it gives it a really, really pretty shine.
Beautiful.
And this completes your Glam Wars makeup look using the products in your Glam Wars makeup bag. I hope this brought you some joy, and I hope you learned a little bit of some tips and tricks using makeup. We hope you love your new makeup and your Glam Wars makeup bag. Bye guys.
Bye.